Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of diseases. So let's see. Number 1, headache. Headache means matha ব্যথা. Headache means matha ব্যথা. Number 2, toothache. Toothache means দাঁত ব্যথা. Toothache means দাঁত ব্যথা. Number 3, stomachache. Stomachache means পেট ব্যথা. Stomachache means পেট ব্যথা. Number 4, pain means ব্যথা. Pain means ব্যথা. Number 5, sick or ill. Sick or ill means অসুস্থ. Sick or ill means অসুস্থ.